Hey, what's up, my Vechain holder brother? This is live price prediction of Vechain. You watching ABS Tech channel. Please click the subscribe button. Don't be selfish, okay? Just click on the subscribe button, please. Okay, so you watching this is last 1 hour result. This is last 1 hour price prediction of Vechain. So we watch here. You can see here the changes of plus 1.07%, absolutely go upward. I think in the last 2 hours they are going downward, but the last 1 hour is they going start upward. So you can see the on the last 2 hour result. Let's check it out, the last 2 hour result. Please you just subscribe ABS Tech channel, please. Oh yes, I am right, last 2 hours they are going downward. You can see here in the graph, you can see here and the graph here is they are going downward, but this is, I think this is selling time. But if we can see here the last 1 hour result, this is absolutely, this is buying time. This is buying time, not a bad time for Vechain holders. This is good time for buying. This is absolutely good time for buying. You can see here the graph, they are going upward, so this is not bad time. If we can check it out the last 4 hour result, I hope the last 4 hour result is also upward. So let's see the last 4 hour result. You can please just click the subscribe button. Oh my goodness, you can see in the graph. Let's be focused, okay, let's be focused. You can see here in the graph to this time, you can see here they are going keep downwards. So the lot of people going just sell it, and no one to buy it. But this is good time for buying, because I said this is good time for buying. If you can say here they are going upward, you can say here, and totally you see the last 1 hour result, they are going upward, they are moving upward. So this is good time for buyer, because they are start moving upward. And I hope you can see here the profit is here 0.09489 US dollar. Absolutely good profit, not bad. So I hope in a few days they cross easily 1 US dollar. But if they are moving upward, I like this and the same situation. So keep watching ABS Tech channel. I updating you any last hour. This is a live price prediction. You watching ABS Tech channel. You can see here, and the last 1 hour result is absolutely good, and they are going upward. So just buy it. Don't for subscribe ABS Tech, don't subscribe ABS Tech channel, okay? Just click the subscribe button and press the bell icon and select the all option for notification. I updating you any last hour, okay? See you next time, see you next update. Allah Hafiz, take care.